think I used to do this stuff and didn't have to think about it. Don't laugh, guys. Y'all got 80 coming up.
Yes, sir.
Just
If we
like
make
me.
it that far.
Huh?
If we make it that far.
Yep. Come on.
Are you twisting the other way now?
Well, that's what I want to do. Give me a button.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
I wasn't fussing, I was just making an observation.
You have to give old people a chance. They got to think about what they're doing.
Well, that looks good.
Got a bar between them. And you just put them both on there. You turn the first one, hold it, and then turn the second one. But what I'm doing is I'm turning the first one, then I'm holding it. What do you think? That one's a little tight. I must have let it down a little close. We just going for how to do it. We ain't trying to be perfect.
Right.
Hey, Richard, shit, you ain't got all day. Which way did I go?
That
This
way.
way first, and
Yeah.
get out, man. Ouch. You hurt
I got
me.
this one.
Too close is what it is. We'll leave that one there.
Ready?
Huh?
His tongs.
Yeah, I'm waiting on him to get his tongs.
Wait, think, I ain't measured nothing yet, so you know it ain't be right.
That's neat.
I never used to measure them, I just made them. I know that's the wrong thing to do, but people seem to like them. I learned to do this. I went to a class show at I think Wilberforce University in Ohio. Put my little rule on that. Woman asked me to make her some. I made them full circle, go over the whole range. I don't know, I got 9 inches. Okay, fine, 9 inches is too big. The lady came by and made 2 until the 7. Woohoo! All I'm going to do, guys, I'm doing this you're supposed to be.
I thought I was doing a fine job, didn't you?
I know y'all ain't going to come back up here when I'm up there.
Why not?
You don't get to do nothing but look at the number.
Well,
But it turns out so much better when you do it.
I always try to demonstrate first, and then help people what I'm supposed to do when I got through the rules and help y'all.
Yeah.
it looks like it's pretty hot now. In my eyes.
Here, it's twisted. What did I say about twisted?
You gotta get it up there to the yellow.
It ain't hard. It's yellow.
Yeah.
Yeah, yellow. High yellow.
High yellow. Not a white yellow, just a high yellow.
See, that ain't hard enough to do.
Yeah.
They do look kind of nice once you get them in there. don't they?
Oh yeah.
Pretty.
Ready?
This is a copy of an original African bracelet that was wrapped. I don't know about that, put it over there.
Yeah.
That's where I got this from. I know there's a lot of bracelets like that, but this just happened to be. That's right.
Now, I don't know the answer to this, so I'm gonna ask you. Did the African tribes work better?
Oh, yeah. Where you think all this?
Well, I don't know. I had to ask.
Okay, we'll quit right there. Tom Jones was a famous blacksmith. I met him. He was about 19 years old and had a kid. And he was famous then. He could make faces, doorknob faces, big metal stuff, big stuff. And he put out a book on African blacksmith art. I bought the book unseen. I didn't know anything about it. It said Tom Joyce. He's really, I guess he still is. I hope he still is. He's a lot younger than me. You know what I mean? Like you can cut that in two right there. Your handle ought to run 3/8 back to sharp, 1/4 back to sharp, down all the way. This is always sharp. I like this to be rounded. Step. One thing, if you're in a hurry making a bunch of leaves, you can stick your leaf in there while it's red hot. But if you got that there, it's going to put a crease up the leaf. If you got it now, you don't. There's a lot of things you can do when you put it in to not hurt because it's round. And that right there is called a cut and tape. Don't cut anything on it.
Okay.
Okay. I think I'm crazy. No.
But I am looking for an explanation.
Get you a piece of mild steel, a piece of aluminum, and put it up here. Cut on that. It just makes this look bad.
Okay.
And then if you really want to do some work on it, it's got all those cuts in it. All those cuts going to your work. Now, what did I tell you about the horn?
It's oblong shaped, it's not really round,
What else?
and you had to work on an angle. You have to work on an angle to get something round on it.
You have to allow for what?
You have to allow for the shape of it.
You have to allow for the tape.
Yeah, tape.
Woo! Oh, that comes out. Oh, that comes on that quick.
Yeah. And that good pop.
Yeah, that's why they need to be careful when you cut things off. See, I could have heard two things right there. This is the cause of the delay in work. Give it in the hammer face and going through the work. When you got that messed up, you ain't gonna cut too good. You know? Yeah, I'm serious, guys. Alright. What I do with my hammer?
Right there. You dropped it, it's not picking up, but it's
I
alright.
don't care. Let's see.
Now I did get your hammer that time.
I'm gonna put some different ends on these, okay? We might have to cut it, but I'm still gonna put some different ends on it. I could have done it here if I wanted to stand up and put the rest of it on. Ain't me. I'm like you, I start something today, I might not get back to it, you know? It's over early, yeah. Stand there and beat bracelets out all day. Shit. Kidding me, right? Next time y'all get your younger man please around here. Somebody knows something.
Well, see, that's the problem. I'm younger and I don't know anywhere near this.
Old people done forgot all they do. No, everything you do, man. Yep.
Yellow jack.
They got it up. Last week was the first time I did it on film. In over a year.
Wow.
I'll come up here and see that. Look what I'm doing.
Yeah.
What that tell you, if you want to keep that straight, you go 180.
Yep.
Yeah.
Then you come back and get the others. So if you wanted it to stay straight, that's what you would do, huh? Now you can hit all of them. You can just keep hitting them straight like this, and they'll come around. Believe it or not. But after I get so far, I get tired and hit them straight. I just spin it. And I guess everybody's got their own spin. You can keep working in stuff like this. You almost think somebody machine.
Yeah. Don't see that happening right away. I said, I don't see that happening right away. He pounding on it because it looks like somebody machined it.
See, I'm old. When I was born, up in South Carolina, probably the largest independent lodge is on my street, Millwood Avenue, which is the way to Fort Jackson, by the way. Woo! They can't. And,
You can work with a short piece of metal.
They had a blacksmith shop. And, I guess this was even before the war I was over there. And that's more than war. Something else. But they had a black shop. Huh?
But that made block tougher.
Yeah, well, actually, the first automobile mechanics were blacksmiths. But see, I didn't pay any attention to that until I got in. And, I got a daddy that told me all about that stuff. Them guys get through with their work on Saturday night, bring out the guitars, and I reckon the moonshine look like, oh man. But you could go down there and they'd be singing, man. Going on, you know, girls singing out down there, because I didn't know nothing about that. But it was fun, it was all that damn singing. Every once in a while, it's just nice. They'll say something out of line. I reckon. I don't know what the fight is about. But, what do you think? Should we go with it?
Go with it.
That's pretty big, you know.
That loop on the end. The scroll.
We'll see what happens. We'll cut it off. Races like that for a kid from Minnesota. He and his daddy was servicemen. He was 16 years old. We was working kind of close together. He kept turning his nose up to me. And he said, man, believe me again. He didn't have nothing look like this, man. So, I went, whoa, that's big. We'll work on it in a minute. But anyway, I'm late. Boy, he held it in his hand and kept looking at it and on, you know. So I said, give me here anyway. Found out that, yeah, I really made this week. You know, so just double the questions and another. Well, he went over and showed it to his dad, and I guess his dad sent him to go and told him that. And then his daddy Justin got the feeling pretty good or something. Because he bought him out from him. How about putting yours down? Sure. Yeah, let's drop. You know what? That might almost fit you if I get it opened up. Now, if you want to know why I do two different ends, ain't no other reason, but I can. So, if I do two, it's because I want to do two.
Artist prerogative.
Huh?
Artist prerogative.
Even old man got mad at me over that. Didn't he?
I stayed mad at you, Rick.
I know. That's why you keep inviting me up here.
He's easy to get mad at.
Yeah, you hate me.
So you're using the bevel to open that up.
Yeah. That don't fit you
I said
already.
that'd be pretty darn close.
Huh?
I said that'd be close.
Is it a little bit more open than his? Is it a little bit more open than his? It looked like it was to me. Yeah.
Leave a little red, Rick, you put it on his arm and he closes it.
Huh?
Leave a little red and get it on his arm and close it.
Yeah, that'd be the thing to do.
He tried to test fit mine like that. He said, here it is, test fit. I said, yeah, it don't
We wouldn't have to worry about whether it fit or not.
It'd be there, sure.
Huh?
It'd be there, wouldn't it?
Yeah, and he'd know where to put it.
Yeah.
Every time he put it back on.
Yeah, he
Yep,
marked
that's
right
where it goes.
Yeah. I think it went over there beside that bucket. Do it like horseshoe. Yeah, turn it on.
Yeah, put that on.
No, thank you.
I've been sweating over a hot stove all day, and you mean to tell me you ain't gonna put this on?
Not right now. You've been mighty nice to me, but I just don't believe I can do that for you. I like that.
We tried anyway. Now if you wanted this to be black, probably about now if you put some wax or oil or something on it, it turn black.
Yeah, that's what we did with the keychains last time.
There you go. What do you think?
You might not open that up just a little more.
That's pretty close.
Yeah.
Well, we were on this arm all right.
No, it didn't. It was tight. It was real tight.
Well, let's leave it tight. Cut it down till you tell me what else we're gonna do.